In this video, I'd like to show you how to enable CryptoPrevent email alerts with your Google account using either your Gmail address, email address, or your Google Workplace, as they're calling it now, email address. Before you begin, you may want to be sure that CryptoPrevent is fully updated. You're going to need at least version 21.8.17 for this to work. So we'll go to Updates and then just do your check for updates. And once you're fully updated, then we can proceed. Okay, we'll just start CryptoPrevent. We'll go to Options, Email Settings, and here we have the Enable Email Alerts checkbox. And you'll notice we've already got Sign In with Google with the little bullet in it. So all you have to do is enter in your address here. And now you could use this to configure other email accounts, and with that you have to use a traditional SMTP server. You may already have a Gmail account set up with an SMTP server through CryptoPrevent, but there is a new authentication method through Google, and that's what we're showing you today because the older SMTP method won't be supported forever. So just click Sign In with Google. You'll be sent to, you can see CryptoPrevent, and there's our little logo. Once you're access to your Google account, send email on your behalf. What that's going to do is send you emails with the alerts. Okay, and you're redirected back to our web page after success. Before we close the web page, you can click here if you want to review the privacy and data collection policy. This just tells you that we don't use your email address for anything, for any reason. Okay, and we have our email sent successfully and the settings are saved. Just click OK. You'll be taken back here. And now you don't have to do this ever again. And at this point, you can just close CryptoPrevent and expect to see an email alert anytime you receive a blocked program alert through CryptoPrevent. One more thing. You'll receive a CryptoPrevent test email from CryptoPrevent, and that's expected because it did want to make sure that a test email was sent. But you may also receive an email from Google that there is a security alert that you have granted access to CryptoPrevent, and that CryptoPrevent can send email on your behalf. That's completely expected. Now, you may not get this alert from Google, and that just depends on how your security settings are set up through Google's account settings. Hope this video has been of some help. Thanks for watching.